students of class 6. Today we will do the last portion of the chapter, and the two topics that we will do today are importing data from other application and slideshow. So everyone get ready with the book, page number 66, and let us start the class. Chapter 5, last portion we will do importing data from other application and slideshow. Let us start the class. Now, first we have to go to the Insert tab. Click on Object in the text group. Now, you can see different objects, that means different applications are shown over here. Let us select one. Let us select this one. Microsoft Word 97/2003 document. And then let us click OK. Now over here we can type our document. Otherwise, one more thing we can do. Click on Object. Click on Create from File and browse your file. Now let us select this My Home. Click OK. Again, see the file is brought over here by the location you can see. Click OK. See, our document, Word document, is inserted over here. Clear everyone how to import data from other application. Next, two important things in PowerPoint: embedding and linking. Embedding means that the object is inserted as a copy of the original document. You can edit it, but the changes will not be seen in the original source file. That means whenever you are embedding any object, the copy of the original document will be inserted. But if we edit the copy, the changes will not be shown in the original source file. Now, what is linking? Linking means when the object is linked, information in the presentation will be updated if the source file is modified. Whenever any change is there in the copied file, immediately the source file will also be modified. Okay? These two definitions are very important. You have to learn this. Now, if we click Object, create our file, browse, suppose this one, and we click Link and click OK. See, our document is here, and if we make any changes over here, that means the source Word file will also be updated. Now the next topic is slideshow. Slideshow means the ways of starting, ending and moving through our presentation. Now how to start our presentation? There are many ways to start our presentation. We can press the F5 key. That means the presentation will start from the first slide. Then we have click on the slideshow button in the status bar. Where is the status bar? This one is the status bar. and over here you can click this button and the slideshow will be started. Next, go to the slideshow tab and click on from beginning in the start slideshow group. The presentation will start from the beginning. This is the slideshow tab and this one is the from beginning button. Then we have the from current slide. The slideshow will be started. That means whatever slide is open, from that slide the slideshow will start. Next we have present online. That means it will allow us to present the presentation to the viewer who are connected. You can then start the presentation in the normal way. Online, the presentation will be shown to the viewers. Next, custom slideshow. This button to choose the slide which we want to present to the audience. Next, how to move the presentation. Move through the presentation. How to go through the next slide? Either press the space bar or right arrow key or enter key, down arrow key, page down key and mouse click. These are the things we can press to move to the next slide. How to go to the previous slide? Backspace key, up key, left key, page up key. And how to end the presentation? You can right click on the mouse and click end show. Whenever you right click on the mouse, a list will open. Over there you will get the option end show. Otherwise you can press the escape key. That means this key, ESC, escape key in the keyboard, and the presentation will be ended. Now, today's CW is clear, importing data from other application and slideshow. Now today's HW will be to read from page 66 to 68 at home thoroughly and go through the steps carefully. So if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So everyone, stay healthy, stay at home, study at home, don't waste your time, and bye-bye.